Hi there everyone, this is Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a very simple program to ask the user to give two numbers, and then the program will compute the product and difference of two numbers using C programming language. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. We have here the comment of this program, product underscore difference.c, and then line number 9 is a library file that we use primarily for input output, that is tdio.h. Every C program requires this library file to be a part of your overall program. Line number 11 will be main function. It is the starting point and ending point of your program execution in C. So line 12 and 13, we have four variables: product difference, A and B, which has a data type of integer. So line number 15 up to 17 is the title of our program, product and difference of two numbers in C. And then line number 18 to 21 is the input portion of our code. We are asking the user to give first value and second value. The first value will be stored in variable A, and then the second value will be stored in variable B. And then line 23 will be perform multiplication of variable A and B that will be stored in our variable product. Our variable product will act as an assignment statement in our program. In line number 24, difference will perform subtraction of values of variable A and B, and then it will store in our variable difference. And in line 27 up to 29 will display the product of the number and in its difference. And then line number 30 up to 33 will end of the program that inform the user that the program is already been ended. So the next step that we'll do is to build and run our program. So product and difference of two numbers in C, first value, let's say 200, second value is 50. So the product of 250 is 10,000. The difference between 250 is 150. End of program. Let us run again in a second time around. Let's say we have here 6 and 3. For second value, the product of 6 and 3 is 18. The difference between 6 and 3 is 3. End of program. Okay, let us run again for the third time. Okay, so product and difference of two numbers in C. Enter first value, let's say 300. Second value, we can have 120. So the product of 300 and 120 is 36,000. The difference between 300 and 120 is 180. End of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial on how to create product and difference of two numbers in C. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.